Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to change or how to actually set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to take a look at this option bar and tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Then let's localize the timer option, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option which you'd like to use. It will be immediately marked here. So now we can simply go back to the camera, and as you can see at the top we've got this highlighted icon which indicates that we've got the timer set. So simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, we can also tap on this icon here to quickly change the timer, so we can set it for 2 seconds for example, or off completely. And now the timer is off, and this icon will also disappear, so you cannot really change, you cannot really set the timer if you've got it off here. You have to go to the settings, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.